Find where I put the circle.
Okay.
I already found it.
Okay, this says that this is the Towers of Stone. Before the Eiffel Tower. Where's the Eiffel Tower?
Over here.
Right there. Right there.
Right there. Where is it in the world?
Oh, in France.
In Paris.
Okay, Paris. This is how tall that building is. 2,717 feet tall. That building. So I want you to round that off to the nearest 1,000.
No.
How tall is it? Now the Eiffel Tower is next to this river.
Yep.
See the river right next door?
Oh,
Now that's a
there.
famous river in France called the Seine River. I want you to count the number of bridges that you see over this river. And after you have counted them, round your number off to the nearest 10 and write down how many bridges.